We will code this product card. So we have some options we can add to cart. This is just front end. There is no backend, so we can change colors. So let's go ahead and create it. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. So in my main page, I just, all of these other commented stuff, this is for other tutorials. So I just have this component, table and product card. This is it. This is all we need. And this div and these class names, this is the background that we have below. So you can just create these components. So let's do it. And let's code this from scratch. If you go to my GitHub, you can find all of this code. And so this is the component in the components folder. And other components are for other tutorials. So this is the only one you need. Let's start by use client. And you're going to import this from ShadCN, button from ShadCN. Just Google ShadCN installation. Click your NextJS or whatever framework and copy this. And then press yes to everything. And then go to the side and find button and copy this command and copy for other card, everything you need. So you need card button and then slider, switch, and that's it. You're gonna have Lucid React automatically if you initialize ShadCN. Okay, then let's do products. So this is just a placeholder product. So we're gonna have Lumina Glow name, brand, price, rating, reviews, images. You can copy paste this from my GitHub. Just find this component in components, table and product card. And then features, and then colors. So this will be array of objects, materials, warranty. So export table and product card, selected color, set selected color. So we will select the first color to be default, first material to be default. Brightness. I'm not sure what this brightness is for. You don't even need it, but I just made it. It doesn't do anything. And then is on. So user will be able to adjust brightness, but it doesn't do. It's not gonna select anything for them. The product is the same. Is on, set is on. So the brightness selection is on. Okay, return something. Card. Let's put these dimensions. This might be a bit big, so you might make everything a bit smaller maybe. Card content. If I save this, we will have absolutely nothing, I think, still. We have some white space, that's what we have. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, let's continue. Div, image. So I immediately add this image and now it should display immediately, okay. Let's go below and say, I think this is this brightness, this will adjust the brightness of the image. I'm not sure what this brightness does. We'll see later. Okay, and then let's go below and say product brand and product name. This is to the side, so this div is to the side because this is flex. But it's below because this is flex column. Yeah, it's below. So product name and brand. Then div below that says, okay, so let's do stars, sun, and then class name. So we will just make a bunch of stars, but the stars that are below the product rating will be colored yellow, and then the other ones, or they will be full, and the other ones are gonna be like not full, empty. So this is what it looks like. So this is just an array. It goes. We use index to compare the number of the star to the current index. Let's go below. Say reviews. So this will just type. This is how many reviews. Let's then say product description and div below, and then we are selecting color. So div. Let's map colors and give button to each color. So key is color name. And class name. So we're gonna have some like class names, and then if this color is selected, we're gonna put a ring around it. And if it's not, then there is no ring around it. You'll see. And then the style background color will be color.hex. Color. So we are mapping colors in the product. And then on click, we will set this color to be the selected color. So if I go here, we have description, we have color. So you see this ring around the color. Okay, let's go below and say div material, div, let's map materials, and then button for each material, and then key variants. So if the material is selected, we're gonna have default button or outline if it's not. You'll see what both mean. And then on click, we'll set this material and just display materials. So you see this is the selected one has default look and the other ones have outline look. Div title. So this is brightness, and then we're gonna have the switch to adjust the brightness or not. Slider. I think this part is absolutely useless. It doesn't do anything because user cannot like adjust. Like if user adjusts, I don't know why I put it here, but I'll explain. Let's finish. So slider, we have disabled is on, and then set brightness. Step 1 max 100. If I go ahead, I'm actually not sure what this. So we have this kind of brightness. I can do this. I think it shows the brightness of the image, but the image gets messed up. So you can just completely remove. You can just remove this. I don't know what it does. I think I messed up somewhere. There's yellow. Okay. Let's go below slider and say div. So moon and sun. This is like a little bit messed up. It is what it is. I think I can go to this side completely. Opacity 50. I'm not sure why the brightness is not, it's covering everything. So let's just go. You can skip the brightness part. Let's make a div. Div. This is the price, and then div below. Zap icon and energy efficient. So we have price and energy efficient. Then we have button. This is going to be buy now, but add to cart. We have shopping cart here. Add to cart. So this is it. This is the whole component. You can make it a bit smaller if you want. This is the whole code. It's not too long. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. See you in the next video.